What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over another update for my $500 stock market challenge, where my goal is to take $500 and turn it into $2,000 in a couple of months. And the main idea behind this whole challenge is to show all you guys that are beginners in the stock market that have only, let's say, $500 to invest, that it is possible to invest in the stock market, trade in the stock market, and make profits. So this is the third update, like I said, and let's just get right into it, guys. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment letting me know that you're a new subscriber, because once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway to a random person that has recently subscribed. So make sure to subscribe and drop a comment. So let's hop right into the video. So for those of you guys that watched the previous two videos on this topic, you saw that I bought DGAS at about $23 it was, and I had 20 shares, and that took up about $470 of the total $500 that I had. So I had $30 in cash, and I had $470 in DGAS, and like I said, I got it at about $23, but it was before this huge downtrend we see here to about $17, but I didn't panic, right? I held on to it because I knew DGAS was going to bounce back up, and that's exactly what it did do. So it came back up $23, and then I had a limit order at about $30, and that filled this morning at about $30.60 because DGAS opened at about $30.50 today. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to play it safe, sell my position at about $30.50. Like I said, even though it's up about another dollar from where I sold it, it's always great to just lock in profits. And yeah, guys, you can't really control where the market is going, but what you can control is locking in your profits. So that's what I always recommend to everyone out there that has a gain. You want to just secure it, lock in those profits, guys. So that's exactly what I did here, and now I have $638 ready to invest in another stock or ETF. And that's also what I wanted to talk about in this video, is what stocks or ETFs that I'm looking at right now to invest this $638 into. So let's hop right into that, guys. UGAS is pretty much the #1 ETF that I'm looking at right now, and this one is actually the inverse to DGAS. So if we look back at DGAS, the one that I just sold, we see resistance levels at $32, and that's where it's approaching at right now, guys. And we've seen that it hit $32 here one time, two times, three times, right? And all those three times, it's seen downtrends from that particular position. So right now, what I'm looking at very closely with DGAS, it hitting $32, $33 and starting to reverse and pretty much head down from there, and that's where UGAS is going to be open for opportunity. And if we look at natural gas, which is the future that UGAS and DGAS trade on, we see that it hit tops of $3.62, and that's when UGAS was killing it, right? And then it fell all the way down to $2.60, where it's at today. And whenever natural gas does bad, DGAS does very well, and whenever natural gas does well, UGAS does well. And if we see that natural gas is heading towards that support level of about 250, which is the lowest it's been in the 180-day analysis, I would say that getting into UGAS really soon, pretty much by the start of next week, Monday or Tuesday, is what I'm going to be doing, and that's the plan right now. So UGAS is one of them, and JNUG is the other one that I'm looking at, which is actually a gold-based ETF, and we see that it trades on gold right here, guys, and we see that gold is in a little downtrend right now, but we're starting to see some consolidation, and that's what we're going to be keeping an eye on right now with gold. But if we head back to JNUG here, we see that it's actually reaching support levels of about $12, and this is the 180-day analysis here, and we see that it hasn't gone below $12 in the past 180 days, and like I said, gold futures are starting to consolidate a little bit. And if we look back on here on the gold futures to see support levels and resistance levels, we see that there's a good support here right about 1310, and that's where I'm looking for gold to hold above before I dive into JNUG itself. And I want to see JNUG start to form an uptrend and start that actual reversal. But for now, it's consolidating here for the past couple of days, and that's a very good sign. But I'm going to just wait for that uptrend in order to invest money into it, guys. Now that I have a little bit more capital with $638, I might be investing in two different stocks or ETFs depending on the potential that I see. And I usually recommend smaller accounts if you're 500 or under. Pretty much you shouldn't be really diversifying too much because you don't have too much money to invest with, right? If you have 4 or 5 different positions, how much money could you actually make with that? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be keeping you updated once a week with this topic of turning $500 to $2,000 before summer. And make sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Stas_surfest_entrepreneurship. Link should be down below in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.